Quando sul sole blu chiama su dottore, anda più piano chi si allevia su dolore, che troppo in alto lo può cavalcare, quando anda e canta poche nuda. Si ti senti solo, si sombra dessa luna, non ponza passo e non dai poca causettina, proprio torra, proprio non l'è mai, canta e canta e c'è la sua fortuna. Su sole nieto, vale addosso a die, ma non cazza che in piena die, a mano denta, che pica da qui e
We're just coming up to this headland now. I forget the name of this headland. Then we're going to head north and then we'll be up to the northern part of Sardinia. But it's been a really nice place. Fantastic place. Yesterday we went to the grotto and it was good kayaking as well. These cliff faces are really impressive. Sheer. This is all limestone and so it's quite soft. So inside there's loads of these grottos. I bet there's more grottos that they haven't even been able to find. But it's an amazing structure really when you look at it. That's all formed by nature, by organisms that have fallen to the bottom of the sea and it's been uplifted. The power of nature is unbelievable. Yeah, we might be alright for wind there. We might be okay for wind, hopefully. This is the Finelli Passage which you've got to go through to go down to Stintino. It's quite shallow, but it has got markers, transit markers. Just coming up to 1:45 on the 23rd of October. This is just the western edge of Cabo Falcon. There is a passage here, but it's not for us, as you can see with all the breaking water. Well, we're just going through the Finelli Passage. We've got our first two transits which were lined up at the moment. Dead ahead now. We've actually wandered off. So this is the other transit behind us, keeps us on 121 degrees. So we're going to have to go off because there's another boat coming through. Typical. Yeah. This is our new port. We arrived at 2 o'clock and this is Porto Stintino, I think they call it. Quiet little place. Got a nice red moon here, but you probably won't get it on the film. Really nice. This is our next port we're coming into. It's the 25th of October and this is Castel Sardo. And you can see the big castle at the back behind the town. We've had a really good sail today. We left this morning at 10 o'clock from Centino and it's about 20 miles we've covered in about 4 hours, which is really good. We've had average wind speeds about 14 knots, I think, between 12 and 14 knots on the beam. Just coming up to the breakwater now and then we'll turn in shortly into the marina. Well, this is Castel Sardo and the castle's on the top of the high ground. It says here the Castello, or the castle, early complex of medieval village fortified by the Doria family in 1102. former home of Eleanor di Arboria, spouse of the Brancilonian Doria.
Col sudore sulla fronte, l'acqua conservata nelle foglie delle querce, sono il mio passato.
This is the morning of the 27th of October and we're just now leaving Castel Sardo and heading to St. Teresa Guria, which is now, we're not far from Bonifacio, not Boni. I can never say this word, I struggle with it all the time. Dodo laughs at me. Every time. Dodo walked all around there yesterday, up and down each street. It's an amazing little place. Fortified medieval town of Castel Sardo, or Castel Sardo.